Do I need to install any drivers to use a USB headset with my Xbox One?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we'll tackle an important question many Xbox One owners have. Do I need to install any drivers to use a USB headset with my Xbox One? It might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Do Xbox One consoles require driver installation for USB headsets?
The simple and great news is, no, you don't need to install any drivers to use a USB headset with your Xbox One console. Xbox One has built-in driver support for a wide variety of USB headsets. Simply plug your USB headset into a USB port on your Xbox One, and you're good to go.
Are all USB headsets compatible with Xbox One?
While you don't need to install drivers, it's important to note that not all USB headsets are compatible with the Xbox One. The headset must be specifically designed to work with Xbox One or explicitly stated by the manufacturer to be compatible. If you're not sure, check the product specifications or consult with the manufacturer before making a purchase.
What if my USB headset isn't working with my Xbox One?
If you're experiencing issues, it might not be a driver problem at all. Here are a few troubleshooting steps you could take. 1. Check if the headset is properly connected. Unplug and plug your headset again into the USB port of your Xbox One. 2. Try a different USB port. Sometimes, the issue might be with the USB port itself. Switch to a different port on your console and see if it makes any difference. 3. Test the headset on a different device. Connect the headset to a different device like a PC or another console. This will help you determine if the headset itself is the issue or if it's something with your Xbox One. 4. Update your Xbox One. Sometimes, a system update can fix compatibility issues. Make sure your Xbox One console is running the latest software version. That's it for today's topic. We hope this has clarified that you don't need to install any drivers to use a USB headset with your Xbox One. Remember, the key is ensuring the headset is compatible with the console. If you're facing issues, try the troubleshooting steps we've shared, and hopefully, you'll be back to your gaming sessions in no time.